This is the EasyFlex no-dig landscape edging. So we get the landscape edging coiled up in here, 20 foot. They said it's about 1.7 inches. That looks to be correct to me. You get a set of instructions that shows how to use it. We get 8 spikes and a connector piece in here if we want to connect 2 pieces together, I guess. All right, let's test this stuff out, see how it works. First of all, it came out of the box real easy. You know, in the end here, you're gonna have to shape it a little bit, but like it says, flex is pretty easy. I think it's gonna hold great. I was kind of curious as to how big of a circle I could get here. If I want to put this around a tree, for instance. Looking at about 6 foot 6 inches right here. I know I don't have a perfect circle, give or take an inch. One of the cool things about this is I can cut it. If you get to the end of your length that you want to use, you cut it right in between 2 of these and you're good to go. Let's just do a little test. See how easy it goes into the ground. Spikes are a hard plastic, super easy. So it says you're supposed to put a spike 1 every 10 of these. So let me just do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So super simple to install, no problems at all with it unfolding. What I'll do is take some mulch and cover up those tabs. You'll never know it's not embedded in the ground. So pretty awesome, EasyFlex, no dig border edging.